Hello dear friends, welcome back again to another video from my YouTube channel. Dear friends, in our previous video we discussed the very important event fertilization. During fertilization, the sperm released by the male get fused with the ovum released by the female. As a result of that, as a result of fusion of sperm and ovum, zygote is formed. And that zygote, in future, it will get developed into a baby. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss about one more very interesting concept, that is sex determination in humans. Sex determination in humans. What do you mean by this? Sex means gender. How the gender of the baby is determined in case of human beings. That we are going to understand in this particular video. It is a very, very interesting concept, my dear friends. Because most of the people, they believe that if continuously baby girl is born to any of the couple, the blame goes to the mother. The society blames the mother. Continuously ಒಂದು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಯಾರನ್ನ ದೂಷಿಸ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ದೂಷಿಸ್ತದೆ. Now in this video we're going to understand who is the deciding factor for determining the sex in case of human beings. Whether the mother is the deciding factor or the father is the deciding factor. That we are going to understand in this video. By the end of this video, you have to give me the answer in the comment box given below my YouTube channel. Who is the deciding or who determines the sex of an individual in case of human beings. Okay, let us begin the video. During fertilization, we know that during fertilization, sperm fuses with the egg. As a result of that, zygote is formed. Zygote is formed. This is the major event during the fertilization process. At the same time, the sex of baby is also decided. That means जब fertilization हो रहा, fertilization का मतलब क्या है? sperm आके egg के साथ fuse होना. इसी वक्त पे फ्यूचर में होने वाली बेबी का जेंडर क्या होगा, क्या वो लड़का होगा या फिर लड़की होके पैदा होगी, दैट इज डिसाइडेड एट द टाइम ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन. दैट मीन्स सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन takes place at the time of fertilization. During fertilization, two very important things takes place. One is the fusion of sperm and the egg, and the another one is the sex is determined at that particular phase. Now, let us understand the sex determination with the help of an example here. Here we have a male person. We have a female here. They are a happy couple. दोनों मियाँ और बीवी हैं, गंडा हेंडती इब्रू इब्रू, male and female. Now this is male and female. Okay. If you analyze the human beings at a genetic level, human beings, they consist of 46 chromosomes in the cells. In a human cell, 46 chromosomes are there. 46 chromosomes are there. That means in the female also we have got 46 chromosomes. In a male person, here also we have 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes, they can also be written as 23 pairs, because the chromosomes are present in pairs. Here also we have 23 pairs, because ultimately male or female जो भी हो human beings हैं. 23 pairs. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pair of chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes, they are related to body characters. Body characters. That means they are related to somatic characters of that individual. अब ये लड़की के 22 pairs क्या हैं? Body के characters को decide करने वाले chromosomes हैं. Now they are deciding the body character, the height of the female, color of the female, voice of the female, shape of the nose in female. All these body characters are decided by these 22 pair of chromosomes. Whereas the one pair, totally we have 23. Out of 23, 22 are related to the body characters, whereas one pair is related to sex. What is that one pair which is present in the female? It is XX. This is one pair of chromosome. They are related to the sex. The chromosomes which are related to the sex, they are called as allosomes. They are the sex chromosomes. They are deciding the sex of an individual. That is allosomes. In females, we have XX as a sex chromosome. Now, 22 pairs, they are deciding the body characters. That is why they are also called as autosomes. Similarly, in case of male also we have 23 pairs. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are related to the body characters. Hence, they are called as autosomes. And the one pair which is deciding the sex of an individual, in case of male, it is one pair which is deciding the sex. They are called as allosomes. And the allosomes which are present in the male person, they are X and Y. That means XY are the sex chromosomes in the male, XX are the sex chromosomes in the females. Now, during spermatogenesis process. What is spermatogenesis? The process of formation of a sperm during spermatogenesis. During spermatogenesis, male person produces the sperms. Male person produces the sperms. Some of the sperms, they are carrying the X chromosome, and some of the sperms, they are carrying Y chromosome. Why it is like this? Because in case of a male person, we have XY as a sex chromosome. That is why some of the sperms are carrying this chromosome, and some of the sperms, they are carrying this chromosome. You may ask the question, sir, दोनों क्यों नहीं है sir? XY क्यों नहीं है? XY क्यों नहीं है? सिर्फ X क्यों है? Y क्यों है? XY मिला के क्यों नहीं है? Because the sperms are not diploid, my dear friends. They don't have a 2n number of chromosomes. They have only 1n number of chromosomes. They are haploid. That is why this is a single number of chromosomes. The sperms which consisting of X chromosomes, they are called as androsperms. They are called as androsperms. And the sperms which consist of Y chromosome, they are called as, the sperms which consisting of X chromosomes, they are called as gynochromosomes. Gynosperms. The sperms that consist of X chromosome, they are called as gymnosperms, and the sperms that consist of Y chromosomes, they are called as androsperms. Now, similarly, in case of female during oogenesis, what is going to happen during oogenesis? The secondary oocyte get released, the ovum get released. Here the ovum is formed. Now you can guess what type of chromosome is present in this ovum. In case of females, we have XX. That is why we have a X chromosome here. अब तुम फिर पूछ सकते सर XX क्यों नहीं है सर? क्योंकि ये डिप्लॉइड सेल नहीं है, ये हेप्लॉइड सेल है, इसीलिए एक सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, ओनली वन सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम रहना जरूरी है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द मियोसिस प्रोसेस, रिडक्शनल डिवीजन प्रोसेस. हेंस दिस एग, दिस ओवम, it is consisting of a X chromosome. Now, suppose during insemination, what do you mean by insemination? Recall my previous chapter. Insemination means release of sperm into the vagina during coitus. During insemination, male person releases approximately 200 to 300 millions of sperms. 200 to 300 millions of sperms. Out of this number, half of the sperms are gymnosperms and half of the sperms are androsperms. ಏನ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮೇಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ 100 ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಆ 100 ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತವೆ, 50 ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ವೈ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತವೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಗೈನೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ರೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 50-50. 50-50 is the ratio. Now suppose this sperm, what is this sperm? It is androsperm. It is consisting of Y chromosome. Suppose this sperm comes and fuses with this. Now what is going to happen? Here we have X already, and from the sperm we'll get Y. It becomes XY. Now this will become a boy in future. This will become a male person in future. Suppose the sperm which consisting of X chromosome comes and fertilizes this. What will be the condition? Then already there is a X, and this X belongs to the female, and this X is coming from the male, and the condition will become XX. Now the girl is born. Girl is born. That means in this concept, who is deciding the sex? Who is deciding the gender of the baby in case of human beings? Answer me in the comment box. I hope you people have got an idea about the sex determination in case of human beings. In our next video, we'll discuss one more very interesting concept, implantation. Thank you so much.